Are you looking for software that can enhance and upscale your AI-generated images and videos? We all know that AI-generated content like images or videos often turns out amazing, but there's one common issue: it's usually in low quality. That's where upscaler and enhancer tools come in handy. Today, we're going to upscale our AI-generated images and videos using the 4DDG AI Video Enhancer. This software promises to improve the resolution of your media while keeping the original quality intact. In this video, we're going to cover three things: a comprehensive review of the software's performance, how to use 4DDG AI Video Enhancer, 4DDG AI Video Enhancer pricing and features. So, stick around if you're ready to level up your AI-generated content. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more AI tips, reviews, and tutorials. Let's get started. A comprehensive review of the software's performance. For DDG Video Repair, you gain access to an incredible toolkit to enable you to fix any corrupted or unplayable video. It also works as an AI video enhancer, too. For DDG File Repair even has the ability to AI enhance and colorize your videos in seconds. By analyzing the content of black and white video recordings, this advanced AI video enhancer is able to add natural and realistic colors to them, giving them a brand new lease of life. It can improve videos from leading camera brands like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. Don't be surprised, as this is what an excellent AI enhancer should possess. How to use 4DDG AI Video Enhancer. Step 1. Download and install. First things first, simply download and install the 4DDG AI Video Enhancer software. I'll provide the download link in the description below, and the installation process is super easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Open 4DDG AI Video Enhancer. Once installed, open the software. You'll see an option for AI Enhancer. Click on it. Then, choose Video Enhancer and click Add Video to import your AI-generated video. Now your video is ready for enhancement. Step 3. Choose AI models. Next, you'll need to select from 3 available AI models, depending on your needs. General Model, best for enhancing standard videos and offers a good all-round balance between speed and quality. Face Model, this focuses on improving facial details, making it ideal for close-ups or portrait videos. Anime Model, perfect for AI-generated videos or animations, as it enhances the unique elements of animated content. Step 4. Select Resolution. Now, choose the resolution for your video. For this tutorial, I'll go with 2x resolution, but feel free to select what works best for your project. Step 5. Choose Enhancement Priority. Finally, you can choose between 2 enhancement priorities. Quality First focuses on maximizing the output quality, but it might take a bit longer. Speed First, this option speeds up the process while maintaining decent quality. Once you've made your selections, click Enhance and let the AI work its magic. Once the upscaling process is complete, you can preview the enhanced version of your video. Now, enhancing AI-generated images. To enhance AI-generated images, simply follow the same steps as with videos. Select your image file by clicking Add Image. Choose the appropriate AI model based on your content, general, face, or anime model. Finally, click Enhance to upscale your image. It's that simple. In just a few clicks, you can significantly improve the quality of your AI-generated images. Colorizing videos and photos. Did you know 4DDG AI Video Enhancer also lets you colorize black and white videos and photos? To do that, follow the same steps as enhancing your videos or images. Select the black and white video or photo you want to colorize. Choose your preferred AI model, general, face. Instead of clicking on Enhance, select Colorize. This feature will automatically convert your black and white content into vibrant, full-color media with just one click. For DDG AI Video Enhancer pricing and features. Here are some key features of the 4DDG Video Enhancer tool that you should know. Video Enhancement. 4DDG Video Enhancer employs advanced AI algorithms to enhance video quality by improving resolution, sharpness, and color accuracy. Corrupted File Repair. Whether your video has playback issues, freezes, or displays errors, this tool can analyze and fix the underlying problems, restoring the video to its original state. Easy-to-use interface. 4DDG Video Enhancer boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to users with limited technical knowledge. Fast processing. 4DDG Video Enhancer offers fast processing speeds, allowing you to enhance and repair your videos quickly. Pricing. The great thing about 4DDG AI Video Enhancer is that you can start using it for free. This allows you to test the software and see if it meets your needs before committing to a paid plan. When you're ready to unlock all the features, you can choose from their affordable and flexible pricing plans. Whether you're looking for a monthly, yearly, or lifetime license, 4DDG offers budget-friendly options that make enhancing and upscaling your AI-generated content accessible to everyone. You can find download link in description. That's it for today, so don't hesitate to try it and give your poor quality videos a second chance to shine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more AI tips,